Welcome to 25 Best Veggies for Diabetic Patients Part-05. Let's explore the last part of Top 25 Vegetables for Diabetics with Low Glycemic Index. We have made the list on several scientific reports, so watch the video till the end. Don't skip. Vegetable number 21, raw banana. Raw bananas, often used in various cuisines, offer several benefits for individuals managing diabetes. Raw bananas are moderately low in carbohydrates, making them a favorable choice for those mindful of their blood sugar levels. In a 100-gram serving, raw bananas contain about 22 grams of carbohydrates. Fiber is a valuable nutrient for diabetes management, and raw bananas provide a significant amount of it. A 100-gram serving offers approximately 2.6 grams of dietary fiber. Fiber plays a pivotal role in regulating blood sugar by slowing the absorption of glucose. Raw bananas are a source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and vitamin B6. These nutrients contribute to overall well-being, which is crucial for diabetes management. Raw bananas contain resistant starch, a type of starch that resists digestion in the small intestine. Resistant starch has been associated with improved insulin sensitivity and better blood sugar control. Scientific validation. The benefits of raw bananas for diabetes have been explored in scientific research. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2016 found that green banana flour, which is derived from raw bananas, had a positive impact on glycemic control and lipid profiles in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Research from the American Diabetes Association has emphasized the role of fruits, like raw bananas, in a balanced diet for individuals with diabetes. Raw bananas' potential to provide sustained energy and regulate blood sugar levels has been recognized in studies on resistant starch. You can enjoy raw bananas in various culinary preparations, such as curries, chips, or even as a base for smoothies. Their starchy and slightly tangy flavor can add depth to your dishes. Arugula, also known as rocket, is considered a good choice for individuals with diabetes due to its specific nutritional profile. This leafy green vegetable is low in carbohydrates and calories, making it a suitable addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. Here are some specific nutritional details for arugula. Arugula is exceptionally low in carbohydrates, with only about 1–2 grams of carbs per 100 grams serving. This makes it an excellent choice for individuals who need to manage their blood sugar levels. Arugula contains dietary fiber, which can help slow down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. It provides approximately 1.6 grams of fiber per 100 grams. Arugula is a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, folate, calcium, and potassium. These nutrients are important for overall health and can contribute to better blood sugar control. Arugula contains various antioxidants, such as beta-carotene and flavonoids. These compounds have been associated with reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which can be beneficial for people with diabetes. Remember that maintaining a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and consistent blood sugar monitoring are essential components of diabetes management. For individuals in the USA or anywhere else in the world. Vegetable number 23, eggplant. Eggplant is a valuable addition to a diabetes-friendly diet due to its specific nutritional composition. This versatile vegetable offers several benefits for individuals managing diabetes. Here are some specific nutritional details about eggplant. Eggplant is naturally low in carbohydrates, with about 5–6 grams of carbs per 100 grams serving. His makes it an excellent choice for individuals with diabetes, as it has a minimal impact on blood sugar levels, contains a significant amount of dietary fiber, providing approximately 3 grams of fiber per 100 grams. Fiber is crucial for managing blood sugar, because it helps slow down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes. Eggplant is rich in antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which give it its deep purple color. These antioxidants have been associated with reducing oxidative stress and inflammation factors that can contribute to diabetes complications. Eggplant is a good source of potassium, an essential mineral that plays a role in regulating blood pressure and maintaining heart health. Individuals with diabetes are at a higher risk of heart disease, so potassium-rich foods like eggplant can be beneficial. Research and studies support the inclusion of eggplant in a diabetes-friendly diet. Various reputable sources, such as the American Diabetes Association, ADA, and the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, recommend incorporating eggplant into diabetes management plans. They emphasize its low carbohydrate content, high fiber, and antioxidant properties as favorable for blood sugar control and overall health. Vegetable number 24. Pumpkin. Pumpkin can be a beneficial addition to a diabetes-friendly diet due to its specific nutritional characteristics. Here are some specific nutritional details about pumpkin. Pumpkin is relatively low in carbohydrates, with around 7-8 grams of carbs per 100 grams of cooked pumpkin. This makes it a suitable choice for individuals with diabetes, as it has a lower impact on blood sugar levels compared to high-carb foods. Pumpkin is a good source of dietary fiber, providing approximately 1 gram of fiber per 100 grams of cooked pumpkin. Fiber is essential for diabetes management because it helps slow down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar. Pumpkin is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and various B vitamins. These nutrients are vital for overall health and can contribute to better blood sugar control. Pumpkin contains antioxidants like beta-carotene, which can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Research suggests that a diet rich in antioxidants may benefit individuals with diabetes by mitigating diabetes-related complications. Numerous studies have explored the potential benefits of incorporating pumpkin into a diabetes management plan. Institutions like the American Diabetes Association, ADA, and the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, NIDDK, recognize the value of low-carb, fiber-rich foods like pumpkin in regulating blood sugar levels and promoting overall health. It's essential to remember that portion control and overall dietary balance are key aspects of managing diabetes effectively. Vegetable number 25. Squash. Squash, including varieties like spaghetti squash and acorn squash, can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes due to their specific nutritional content. Here are some specific nutritional details about squash. Squash is relatively low in carbohydrates, with approximately 7-9 grams of carbs per 100 grams of cooked squash. This low carb content can help individuals with diabetes manage their blood sugar levels more effectively. Squash varieties are rich in dietary fiber, providing around 1-3 grams of fiber per 100 grams of cooked squash. Fiber is essential for diabetes management, as it aids in slowing down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, helping to prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Squash is a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and folate. These nutrients are important for overall health and can contribute to better blood sugar control. Research conducted by various institutions, including the American Diabetes Association, ADA, and the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, NIDDK, recognizes the value of low-carb, fiber-rich foods, like squash in diabetes management. These organizations emphasize the importance of incorporating such foods into a balanced diet to help regulate blood sugar levels and promote overall health. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider or registered dietitian to create a personalized meal plan that meets individual dietary needs and preferences while effectively managing diabetes. So, don't miss out on the full story of 25 best veggies for diabetic patients. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, your health is in your hands. Thanks for joining us on this journey towards better diabetes management. Stay tuned for more valuable insights. And until next time, take care. Watch our 25 Best Veggies for Diabetic Patients Part 1 video at the end screen. And get the 25 Best Veggies for Diabetic Patients Part 04 video on the upper right corner in I button. Some more awesome blood sugar friendly options are waiting for you in that video. Like, comments and subscribe. And don't forget to share.